Okay, this is about the toughest lock to shim. It's a 6-pin, it's an American padlock. We have mushroom pins in the top, a slightly different driver there to make it more bump resistant. And the bottom pins actually are serrated. So we don't have the key for, let's say we're shimming this one. This is the worst case scenario to shim. We're going to put our shim in to the back. We've removed the clip. And you can see as we're coming in, lucky there. It's really hard if you don't know what you can't see what it is, because now as you see we hit the serrated pin, our shim actually gets stuck on the serrated pin to a certain degree. Once the lock has more wear, you see we get stuck again. We're coming down. Now we're hung up on the mushroom pin. So I back off. Made it through. Another serrated pin. Now we got hung up on the. So now we're hung up on the mushroom. Again, it's. Anybody can do the other locks. This is the hard one, so you can imagine. Now we're hung up right up there. Now you see we're hung up on the third there. We're hung up on one of the bottom pin. Sometimes we're hung up on it because the shim's not going in. There, we can tell that's a clear spot. When it just goes in a little bit, we know we've hung up. There, we've hung up on the mushroom pin. So then just back off. There we go. And the final one. This one should be easy. This is mostly to make it harder to bump. Finally, we got it. We can rotate it, remove the shim, and now we can remove the cylinder. So just a tough lock to shim, pick, or bump. So I thought I'd show that as an example. As you can see, it's not all easy.